Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Rake dule.
Oh, today we're learning how to turn a sentence into the negative. So, to say I sit in Sepedi is ke adula.
Ke adula.
But to say I don't sit in Sepedi is gake dule. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Ke adula is the positive form of the sentence. To turn it into the negative, we start with ga. Ke stays in the same place, but we take away the a. And we change the verb ending from a to e. So, dula becomes dule. Gake dule. To say I speak in Sepedi is ke a bolela. But to say I don't speak in Sepedi is gake bolele. And to say I sing in Sepedi is ke a opela. But to say I don't sing in Sepedi is gake opele. And now you know how to turn sentences into the negative. Goodbye, Abuti.
Shalachabotse.